So are you also running a handmade jewelry store? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow, and in this video we are going to understand how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for handmade jewelry store business. So over here, I also run a handmade jewelry store and we regularly receive customers and lead inquiries through WhatsApp. But this is such a time-consuming task to reply to all of those same questions again and again. So to solve this problem, I've simply created a WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow, where what is going to happen is that as soon as I create a WhatsApp chatbot, whenever my user is going to send me a message, an automatic reply would be sent towards my user using this WhatsApp chatbot without any manual efforts. So if you also want to create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own handmade jewelry store, then for that you have to come with me towards my screen.
Welcome to my screen. So in this video, I'll show you how to build a chatbot for your handmade jewelry store using Pabbly Chatflow. So this chatbot will automatically respond to inquiries about product type, material, pricing, shipping and custom orders, making sure your customers always feel attended to. It is a great way to save time, engage leads instantly, and shine brighter in your business. So let's get started. So as you can see that I have already created a WhatsApp chatbot for my handmade jewelry store. So first I'm just going to show you the proper working of this amazing chatbot. For that I'm just going to open my WhatsApp and I'm just going to send them a keyword which is shop. So I'm just going to type shop and send them this shop. And yes, you can see that I have received the response. It is saying, hi there, welcome to our handmade jewelry studio. We are so happy you dropped by. Before we show you our lovely collection, can you please share your full name? Alright, so I'm just going to simply share them my full name, which is test user. So as you can see that I've successfully shared my full name. And once I share my full name, they are saying, awesome, you are all set. Here what you can explore today. So they have given me 3 options. Let's say that I want to look for the custom orders. So I'm just going to select the same, which is custom orders right over here. And as soon as we selected this custom orders, we receive this image and this message. And to place an order, it is saying to click on this place order button. So I'm simply going to click on this place order button. And yes, now it is giving me the website to place the order. So yes, you can see within second, this chatbot is replying me and solving all of my queries. That too without any manual efforts. So yes, this is the power of this WhatsApp chatbot which I created for my handmade jewelry store. And if you also want to create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own handmade jewelry store, then for that you have to stick by this video till the end. So to do this, we are simply going to open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. And in order to open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, we have to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow. So I'm simply going to search for pabbly.com/chatflow right over here. And now we're going to open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. And now after opening the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, over here we are going to get 2 options. One is sign in and the another one is sign up for free. So if you are a new user, you can click on this sign up for free and you are going to get a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow. But over here I am an existing user, so I'm simply going to click on this sign in. And as soon as I'm just going to click on this sign in, it is opening all Pabbly apps. And over here you can see all the tools and applications offered by Pabbly. But in today's video, we are going to use Pabbly Chatflow because I want to automate WhatsApp conversation effortlessly. So I'm simply going to click on this access now right over here to access my Pabbly Chatflow account. And as soon as we're going to click on this access now, it is opening my dashboard. And to start with this automation, I'm simply going to add a WhatsApp number inside my Pabbly Chatflow account. And in order to add a WhatsApp number, we simply have to go towards this add WhatsApp number button given right over here. And now it is asking me for the meta access token, the phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID. And you must be wondering from where we are going to get all of these 3. So to get all of these 3, we first have to create a WhatsApp Cloud API setup and then we have to add a WhatsApp number accordingly. And if you want to learn how to create a WhatsApp Cloud API API setup and add a WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow, you can refer to the video which we have attached right over here. You can simply refer to this video, and by the end of this video, you will know how to create a WhatsApp Cloud API account and connect with Pabbly Chatflow. Also, you will know how to add a WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. And even after watching this video, if you have any doubts, you can directly email us at support@pabbly.com. Alright, so as you can see that I have already added my WhatsApp number. So now what we are going to do is we are going to move on further and create the WhatsApp chatbot. And in order to create this WhatsApp chatbot, I'm just going to go towards the left side of the bar. Over here you can see it is saying dashboard. So I have already explained you the dashboard. Alright, now the next is inbox. So with the help of this inbox section, you can manage the conversations. Now the next is contacts. So with the help of this contact section, you can create contact or manage contacts. All right, and the next is team queues. So you can assign chat to your team so that they can reply accordingly. And the next is template. You can create template in your Pabbly Chatflow account with the help of this section. The next one is broadcast, and then we have flows, and we're going to use flows only in order to create a WhatsApp chatbot, and the rest is settings and get help. So if you want to know any of this feature in detail, you can check out the description box below. We have attached the URL for the same. Today I am just going to focus on creating a chatbot. For that, I'm just going to go towards this flows section of my Pabbly Chatflow account. And after opening this flow builder, we simply have to go towards this add flow button given right over here. And as soon as we're going to click on this add flow button, it is opening a window something like this in front of this, which is saying flow start. So to start this flow, we have three options: to enter the keywords, regex, or choose a template. Alright, so if you wish to start this flow with the help of template, you can go towards this choose template button, select a template, and whenever your user is going to reply to that template, the flow will start. Alright, the next is regex. So you must be wondering, what is regex? So regex are regular expression which help your WhatsApp chatbot understand what a user is trying to say by matching specific keywords in the message. So if you wish, you can definitely enter regex too right over here. And the third is keywords. And today we are going to start this flow with the help of keywords only. So in order to enter the keywords, what we're going to do is I'm simply going to type the keyword and press enter to add the keyword. It is really important to type the keyword and then press enter, because if you will not press the enter button, then this keyword will not be added. So as you can see, that I've successfully added three most commonly used keywords, which is hey, hi, and hello. Now I'm just going to add some keywords which are related to my store, like shop, buy, and jewelry. So I'm just going to type each of them one by one like this and press enter. So I'm just going to add all of these keywords, and as you can see that I've successfully added all of these keywords. Now we are going to move on further. Now what I want is that whenever my user messages me any of these keywords, I want to ask them for their full name. And to ask them for their full name, I'm just going to go towards this actions, and over here we are going to simply drag and drop this ask question, and we're going to connect it with this flow start. And now what we're going to do is I'm just going to enter the message I want to send to my user to ask them for their full name. So as you can see that this is the message which I want to send, and now it is asking me to select the contact custom field. So over here I have already created multiple contact custom fields, so I can select one from this. If you want to know how to create a new contact custom field, you can go towards this settings and then contact custom fields, and you can create this after going towards this option. And now if you want to learn more about this contact custom field, we have attached the video in the description box below. You can check it out. Alright, I have already created multiple contact custom fields, so I'm just going to select one from this, which is full name. And now it is asking me to select the format of the reply, so I'm just going to select the format as text, because the full name is always in text format. Now it is asking me for the number of attempts, so I'm just going to give only one number of attempts right over here. If you wish, you can definitely give multiple number of attempts. And now it is asking me to enter a validation message. So if you wish, you can definitely enter enter a validation message right over here. What is validation message? So over here, let's say that you have selected the format of reply as text, but let's say that your user is replying in number format, then a validation message would be sent towards your user that you have to reply in text format and please try again or something like this. For that, you have to also increase the number of attempts too, right? So I'm just going to keep the number of attempts as 1 only and not enter this validation message because this is not the required field. Alright, now we're going to move on further. After asking them for their full name, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to give them these 3 options. And in order to give them these 3 options, I'm just going to go back towards my flow, simply drag and drop the connection and select the content type as text plus button. And now I'm just going to enter the message. So over here, the message would be awesome, you are all set. Here's what you can explore today. And now I'm just going to add 3 buttons right over here, which are these buttons: view collection, custom orders, and order and delivery. So I'm just going to add text in these buttons one by one. First, I'm just going to add the text for view collection. The next would be for custom orders, and the third one will be for order and delivery. And after adding text in all of these buttons, we are going to move on further and set up message for all of these. First, I'm just going to set up message for view collection. So I'm simply going to drag and drop it right over here and select the content type as media because I want to give them the collection in a PDF format. That's why I have selected the content type as media. And now first, I'm just going to enter my file right over here. For that, I'm just going to click on this button. And after clicking on this button, I'm just going to open my file. And over here, you can see that this is the jewelry collection PDF which I want to upload. So I'm simply going to upload it right over here. And as you can see that I've successfully added this PDF, and automatically Pabbly Chatflow has detected the media type and entered the URL. We don't have to change or select this once again. Simply I'm just going to enter the caption which I want to send with this catalog or the jewelry collection. Alright, so now after entering this caption, I'm just going to add a button right over here for place order and one more button for contact us. And after adding these 2 buttons, we are going to move on further towards the next message, which is custom orders. Once again, I'm simply going to drag and drop the connection and select the content type as media because right now I'm just going to add the image in this message. For that, once again, I'm just going to browse my files right from here, and this is the image I want to add. So I'm simply going to add this image, and once again automatically Pabbly Chatflow is going to detect the media type and enter the URL. We don't have to change or select this. Over here you can see that I've successfully added this image. Once again, I'm just going to enter the caption I want to send with this image. And after adding this caption, once again I'm just going to add the button of place order and then contact us. So I'm simply going to add 2 buttons right over here too in this message, which is place order and contact us. Now we are going to move on further towards the next message, which is order and delivery. I'm simply going to drag and drop the connection, select the content type as text plus button, and enter the message for the same. And as you can see that I've successfully entered the message for the same. Now once again, I'm just going to add 2 buttons right over here. One will be place an order and the next would be contact us. So I'm simply going to enter the text in these buttons. Now we're going to move on further. Now we're going to set up the message for place order and contact us one by one. First, we're going to set it up for place order. I'm simply going to drag and drop the connection, select the content type as text plus button, and enter the message for place order. So as you can see that this is the message I want to send if my user selects place order. Alright, so now I'm just going to connect this same message with all the buttons which says place order. So as you can see that I've simply connected this. Now I'm just going to add a button in this place an order message too, which is contact us. So I'm simply going to enter the text right over here. And after adding this button, I'm just going to set up the message for contact us too. For that, I'm simply going to drag and drop the connection and select the content type as text plus button. And now I'm just going to enter the message for contact us. And after entering this message for contact us, I'm simply going to connect it with all the contact us buttons. Alright, so you can also connect a single message with multiple buttons like this. It is very easy. You don't have to set up multiple messages for the same button. So as you can see that I've successfully connected all of the contact us buttons with this particular message. And yes, with this we have successfully completed this flow for our handmade Jewellery shop. Now whenever my user is going to send me any of this keyword, automatically this flow is going to get started. Further, this chatbot is going to ask the user for their full name and then send them messages according to the options they select. Alright, and yes, you can see that now with this we have successfully completed this chatbot. But I'm just going to test this chatbot in real time. But before testing this chatbot, I'm just going to first name this chatbot and save it. For that, I'm just going to go towards this untitled and name this chatbot as Handmade Jewellery Store. And yes, you can see that I've successfully named this chatbot. Now we are going to move on further and click on this button which says save. And yes, with this we have successfully saved this flow. And now I'm just going to test this flow in real time. And in order to test this flow in real time, you have to keep in mind that this flow should always be active. Otherwise, it will not run in real time. Alright, so now let's test this flow. I'm just going to message any of this keyword. Let's say buy. So I'm just going to open my WhatsApp. We are just going to clear the previous chat and start fresh. And over here, I'm just going to enter the keyword which is buy. So I'm just going to enter buy and send them. And yes, you can see automatically this chatbot has started. It is asking me for my full name. Let's say that I'm just going to share my full name as demo user this time. So I'm just going to type and send them demo user. And yes, you can see it is saying awesome, you are all set. Here's what you can explore today. So one by one, we are going to test all of these three buttons. First, we are going to start with view collection. So I'm simply going to select view collection and the chatbot has respond accordingly. Now I'm just going to test the second button which is custom orders. So I'm just going to select custom orders and yes, you can see it has sent me an image which we attached and the message. Now I'm just going to test the third button which is order and delivery. So I'm just going to select this and yes, now it is responding me accordingly. And now after testing all of these three buttons, I'm just going to test this place order button too. I'm just going to select place order and it is responding accordingly. Now I'm just going to test this contact us button too. And yes, you can see that it has sent me the message for contact us too. So yes, you can see that I have successfully had a proper conversation with this WhatsApp chatbot and it is replying me in real time within seconds without any manual intervention. And as you can see that with this we have successfully created this amazing chatbot for our handmade jewelry store. But not only this chatbot offers many more useful features. And in order to show you those useful features, I'm just going to open the inbox section of my Pabbly Chatflow account in a new tab. And over here in the inbox section of Pabbly Chatflow, you can see the proper conversation which happened between the user and the chatbot. Not only this, you can also see when the message was sent, delivered and read. Alright, there's one more useful feature. Over here you can see that my user shared their full name which is demo user. So this demo user has been added in this contact custom fields in the right hand side. Over here you can see demo user automatically under the full name section. So not only sending and receiving of WhatsApp messages, but you can also collect your user information with the help of this WhatsApp chatbot. Such a useful feature, right? So yes, now with this we have successfully completed this chatbot and I would suggest you go and try this amazing automation or this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own handmade jewelry store. And if you have any questions related to the flow of the video, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips. Till then, try this amazing WhatsApp chatbot because right now we are offering free trial of Pabbly Chatflow. Thank you for watching.
So not only this, but with the help of same logic, you can create multiple chatbots which are tailored to your business needs. So now if you want to contact us, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this website. So now go and create this WhatsApp chatbot for your business and try Pabbly Chatflow for free.